ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरो वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम् क्रिश्चियन्
अल्पाक्षरम् असंदिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम् अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं
सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं
सूत्रविदो विदुः
अयवन्
ऋलक्
एओं ऐ औच् अयवरट् लण्
लण्
यमगणनं
ञागणनं
झभै
झभै
घढधष्
घढधष्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खपछठथ चटतौ
खपछठतौ
कपै
कपै
कषसर्
चषसर्
हल्
हल्
These are called Mageshwara Sutras. What are the other names for Mageshwara Sutrani?
Pratyahara Sutrani.
Very good. Then?
Shiva Sutrani.
Yes, good. Akshara Samamnaya, another name also.
Akshara Samamnaya.
Okay. What is the utility or the prayojanam of this sutra?
It classifies the letters into different categories like ach, hal, and then the first varga letters, and then the second varga, third varga, syllabants, and that kind of classification.
It does only classification? Does it do only classification?
No, it helps us to identify, like from one to the other. When it is said ach, means it says that all the
It means it helps to form the pratyaharas.
Yeah.
Right. It helps to form the pratyahara, the grouping of the letters. Right. Okay.
Yep.
That's why it's called pratyahara sutrani. Pratyaharas, to form pratyahara, so we need the Maheshwara Sutra. And pratyaharas are very important. So pratyahara, we can bring in all the letters. So the alpaksharatvam, which is a condition for the sutra, alpaksharatvam is possible through grouping of the varnas, the letters. So therefore pratyahara is very important. And I hope you all remember the pratyaharas, the important pratyaharas. Around 40, 41 pratyaharas are given. So this pratyaharas you need to know. If you give any pratyahara, be able to say the content of the pratyahara. Right? It is Maheshwara Sutra. Knowing the sutra is one thing, and the prayojanam of the sutra is in forming the pratyaharas, in grouping the letters. And therefore, the knowing the pratyahara means knowing the content of the pratyahara is important, because these pratyaharas only are going to be used in all the rules. Even in Achsandhi, this Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, we use the pratyahara. What is the pratyahara?
Yeah.
Ak. Ak, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
ak is followed by savarnak.
Yes. What is ak?
Lu.
It covers all the simple vowels. A, I, U, Ru, Lu. Similarly, the next is Sandhi, the Yan Sandhi. What are the pratyaharas we use there?
Ik. Iu, Ru,
Ik, you use, and
Followed by ach.
Yan.
Yan also, ach also, all those are pratyaharas. Therefore, the pratyaharas are important. When I say pratyahara, yan means you should be able to say, yan means hayavaratlan.
Yara
That
lava.
is all the semi-vowels. So far we have used only 4 pratyaharas. Slowly other pratyaharas will be using. Therefore, we need to know all the pratyaharas. So now we know ak, we know ach, we know yan, we know ik, we know. Those pratyaharas are used in the sandhi. Therefore, we know. Slowly, when the sandhi, the knowledge expands, we need to know more and more pratyaharas. At least now you know these pratyaharas which are important. Then we can chant. Akuga visarjaniyana kantaha.
Akuhu visarjaniyanam kantaha.
Ichu yashanam talu.
Ichu yashanam
Yashanam talu.
Ruturashanam murdha.
Ruturashanam murta.
murta.
Lutulasanam dantaha.
Lutanam dantaha.
Upu padmaniyanam oshtau.
Upadmaniyanam oshtau.
Yamangananam nasikacha.
Yamangananam nasikacha.
Edaitogo kantatalu.
Edaitoho kantatalu.
Odautogo kanta oshtam.
Odautoho kanta oshtam.
Karasya danta oshtam.
Vakarasya danta oshtam.
Jakhva muliyasya jakhva mulyam.
Muliyasya mulyam.
Sika anasvarasya.
Nasikanaswarasya.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the difference? What is the difference between, or difference as well as similarity between the Anuswara and Anunasika? What is Anunasika? First you must know. What is Anunasika? I'm asking all the basic questions. Okay.
All those
Those
letters
which are
nasal sounds.
sounded
Sorry?
through Nasika are
Nasalized
Anuswaras.
Nasalized, okay, through nose. What are those Anunasika? Anunasika Varna.
Fifth letters.
Very good.
Nyamagananam.
Yes, fifth letter. Nyamangananam Nasika cha. The Nasika means,
Nose.
Nasika cha means
And
nose also.
also.
Nasika. It means there must be something else also along with nose, right? Nasika.
Yeah.
What is that?
They are different. Kanta, Talu, and
Yes, they are different.
Ostam.
They are different with respect to the class. The class the Nasika letters belong to. If it is Na, then Ka, Kha, Ga, Ga, Nga, that first class, which is Kanta and Nasika, right?
Yep.
If it is Chavarga, the second class, then it is Talu plus Nasika. Similarly for other classes. What about Anuswara? What is Anuswara first?
Bindu.
Anuswara only Nasika, I think.
Anuswara is the Bindu on top.
Bindu. That's called Anuswara.
Purna Bindu.
So Anuswara is that dot. Anuswara. That is only Nasika. Okay. So this Anuswara and Anunasika, don't be confused with these two. Both are different. Anuswara and Anunasika, both are different. This Anunasika, listen carefully. This Anunasika Makara. Anunasika Makara, this we have seen before, what I'm going to say. Anunasika Makara, the Makara. Akara will become Anuswara. Remember?
Yes, Guruji.
When does it become Anuswara?
When it ends without any consonant following or anything. No, when it has a consonant following, it becomes Anuswara.
Following word.
Yes. When a word, following word, when the following word begins with consonant, then this Makara will become Anuswara. Makara, which is Anunasika, will become Anuswara. Because Makara becomes Anuswara doesn't mean they are same. Okay. Makara is Anunasika and Anuswara is Nasika. This confusion is there. That is why I am clarifying it. Okay. This Anuswara and Anunasika. And Makara will continue to remain when it is followed by the vowel or at the end of the padam. This we have seen in the beginning itself.
Yes.
The Akshara, when taught Akshara, we read no words and sentences that time itself. We have seen this. Just recalling. All these are
Guruji,
some.
one doubt, Guruji.
Yes, please ask.
In writing the word Sandhi, can we write on the top of the Sa, can we use Anuswara and write Samdhi without Nakara before the?
We will see that.
Okay.
Because we need to know a lot of things to know that. Okay. So that we will see. That Sandhi rules we need to see. We have to see the other Sandhi rules. We are asking the Ach Sandhi now.
Yeah, Guruji. Yeah.
So that time we will see. Okay.
Okay.
Now we are saying Ach Sandhi. Therefore we cannot discuss that not now. You will not understand also if we say. But for your question that Sandhi, that Sakara at the top, that is, for this case, it should not be done. Sandhi, for the word Sandhi.
Okay, Guruji.
That much is enough now. We'll see it later why it is. Now, please stand. Ramo Rajamanis Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje.
Ramo Rajamani Sada
Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje.
Amena Bhigata Nishachara Chamoh Ramaya Tasmai Namaha.
Ramena Bhigata Ramaya Tasmai Namaha.
Nasti Parayanam Parataram Ramasya Dasosmyaham.
Ramanasti Parayanam Parataram Ramasya
Dasosmyaham.
Rame Chittalayas Sada Bhavatu Me Ghora Mama Muddhara.
Rame Chittalayas Sada Bhavatu Me Ghora Mama
Muddhara.
I'm sure that you all know Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda, Pala Shabda, all these Shabdas we repeatedly chanted in the class, so not doing it anymore. So you know it. And take it for granted, you know it, right?
Right.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Now,
Yes,
Tat Shabda,
Guruji.
Pullinga. Slowly we need to add more and more Shabda. Okay, we cannot stay only with the Shabdas what we know. Once we done this one revision, one round, then we will go to the next Shabda, new Shabda will come. So now let us do today Tat Shabda, simple Shabda. Takarantaha, Pullingaha, Tad Shabdaha.
Takarantaha Pullingaha Tat Shabdaha.
Tahataute,
Sahataute
Tam Tautan,
Tam Tautan
Tena Tabhyam Taihi,
Tena Tavyam Taihi
Tasmai Tabhyam Tebhyaha,
Tasmai Tavyam Tebhyaha
Tasmat Tabhyam Tebhyaha,
Tasmat Tavyam Tebhyaha
Tasya Tayoho Tesham,
Tasya Tayoho Tesham
Tasmin Tayoho Teshu.
Tasmin Tayoho Teshu.
So nobody can complain this Shabda is difficult. Simple Shabda. You need to remember only few words. And you see the utility of this, knowing the Shabda. If you know this Shabda, you know many Shabdas. Many Pullinga Sarvanama Shabdas, you know. If you know Tat Shabda, then the same way, Etat Shabda also. Only thing is, you replace Ta by A. Same, everything is same. I will chant this also. Takarantaha Pullingaha Etad Shabdaha.
Takarantaha
Pullinga
Pullingaha
Shabdaha.
Shabdaha
Eshaha Etau Ete.
Eshaha Etau Ete.
Etam Enam Etau Enau Etan Enan.
Etam
Etam Enam
Etau
Etau Enam
Enan
Edan
Etena Enena Etabhyam Etaihi.
Enena
Etabhyam
Etaihi
Etaihi
Etasmai Etabhyam Etebhyaha.
Etasmai
Tasmai
Etabhyam
Etabhyam Etebhyaha
Etasmat Etabhyam Etebhyaha.
Tasmat Etabhyam Etebhyaha
Etasya Etayogo Enayogo Eteksham.
Etasya Etayoho Enayoho Etesham
Etasmin Etayogo Enayogo Eteshu.
Etasmin Etayoho Enayoho Eteshu.
Eteshu.
What is Sambodhana?
No, there is no Sambodhana.
Sambodhana.
There is no Sambodhana. Similarly, Kim Shabda. मकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः किं शब्दः?
मकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः
किं
किं
शब्दः?
शब्दः?
कः कौके?
कौके
कः कौके?
कं कौकान्?
कं
कं
कौकान्?
कौकान्
केन काव्यां
काव्यां
कैः?
केन काव्यां कैः?
कैः
कस्मै काव्यां केभ्यः?
कस्मै काव्यां केभ्यः?
कस्मात् काव्यां केभ्यः?
कस्मात् काव्यां केभ्यः?
कस्य कयोगो केषाम्?
कस्य कयोः केषां?
शाम्
कस्मिन् कयोगो केषु?
कस्मिन् कयोः
कयोः
केषु?
केषु
Then yad shabda. What is the meaning of yad? Which or who? Takarantaha pullingaha yad shabdaha.
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः
यच्छब्दः
Yaha yau ye.
यः
ये
Yam yau yan.
यं यौ यान्
Yena yabhyam yaihi.
येन याभ्यां यैः
Not yaihi, yaihi.
यैः
Yasmai yabhyam yebhyaha.
यस्मै
येभ्यः
Yasmat yabhyam yebhyaha.
यस्मात्
याभ्यां येभ्यः
Yasya yayogo yesham.
यस्य ययोः येषां
Yasmin yayogo yeshu.
यस्मिन् कयोः येषु
That's all. Up to this we have seen. So you need to know it. This is second time revision. So we will not come back to the shabdas again. Okay, we have to keep revising more and more doing more and more shabdas. I'm coming back to the sandhi. Sandhyaha trividaha bhavanti. Sandhi are of three types. That's sandhi, hal sandhi, and visarga sandhi. There's some noise. Please mute your mic. So now we are saying Atsandhi. The Atsandhi we have seen Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. And before that, what is a Sandhi? What is a Sandhi? What is the definition of a Sandhi?
Joining of two words.
That is not Sandhi.
A meeting point.
Yes. The close proximity of the letters is called a Sandhi. And because of the close proximity, there a significant change happens. That is called Sandhi. So close proximity is called a Sandhi. The resultant change, which is called Sandhi Karya. Karya means change. That is also called Sandhi, known by the word Sandhi. And there's a technical word for Sandhi.
Samhita.
Samhita, important. That is a word Pranini Maharishi uses to denote Sandhi. Samhita, Parasannikarshah Samhita. That's a sutra. So important terms we need to know the Sandhi context. What are the important terms, you know? In Sandhi context?
स्थानि
Very good. Sthani.
Adesha.
Adesha.
Vikara.
Vikara is change happens. Yes. Sthani is important. Adesha is important. These two words you must be familiar. And the first Sandhi, Dirgha Sandhi, we know one more word which is Savarna. Right? Savarna means similar. Similar in terms of what? A letter can be similar to another letter. When?
Place of pronunciation.
Place of pronunciation is same. Not only really speaking, it's not only the pace of pronunciation, it's also effort. But effort, we don't know what, because effort is another big topic, which is too much for you at this stage. So that's why I'm not saying effort. Mainly we'll focus on the place of pronunciation. If it is same, then it is called Savarna. Effort is big topic. It's got two types of effort. Is there internal effort, external effort. So it goes on. So therefore we are not talking about effort. Now this Savarna Dirgha we have seen. The rule for Savarna Dirgha is when Ak is followed by Savarna Ak, then what happens when Ak is followed by Savarna Ak?
Dirgha.
Dirgha is
Dirgha Adesha.
where? Yes, good. Dirgha is Adesha. Dirgha means long. Long, that will be the Adesha in the place of,
Tani.
Tani.
which is Stani?
Purva Padam.
Purva and Para.
Ending letter of the
Para.
Purva.
Ending
Not
of
Purva
In the
only.
junction. Purva and Para.
Purva and Para. Purva means the last letter of the first word. Para means the first letter of the following word. Remember that. In Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, Purva and Para is the Stani. What about the Stani in the Yen Sandhi? Which we saw?
Ending of Purva Padam.
Purva Padam.
And the ending must be what letter?
Ik.
Ik letter. Therefore, ik is the Stani. Right? So,
Yes.
ik is the Stani, which is the end letter of the Purva Padam. That is replaced. So, understand the difference between Savarna Dirgha Sandhi and this Yen Sandhi. In Yen Sandhi, only the last letter of the Purva Padam is replaced, not both. Whereas in Savarna Dirgha, both are replaced. Both are Stani. But here the Stani is only the ik letter, which is the end letter of the first word. Okay. When does it happen? When ik is replaced by the Adesha. What are the Adesha and when does it happen?
Yan is Adesha and
Savarna.
Asavarna
Nasavarna Ach
Asavarna.
is followed.
Asavarna
Ach.
Ach follows. Then
Ach
this
follows.
happens. So what causes the ik to be replaced by N is the following letter, the Asavarna Ach. Okay, in Asavarna Ach. So therefore we need to know what is Asavarna, what is Asavarna, what is Ach. All these things we know. When dissimilar vowel follows the ik letter. Ik means what? What are the letters in the ik? Pratyahara?
Ivurulu.
Rulu.
E rule. When E is followed by Ach, Asavarna Ach, it means E must be followed by Ach other than
E.
E. U it must be followed by
Other than U.
Other than
Other than.
Similarly R and L. Okay. Suppose if it is E is followed by E, U is followed by U, R is followed by R, what will happen?
Savarna.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Savarna Dirgha. So now what is the relationship between this Yen Sandhi and Savarna Dirgha Sandhi?
They are all
like
happening to the vowels.
If you remove the word Asavarna Ach from the Yen Sandhi rule, suppose if I say ik is followed by Ach, I'm saying Asavarna I added for your understanding. Okay.
Oh.
Suppose Asavarna is not there, ik is followed by Ach. Then what is the relationship between the Dirgha Sandhi and this Yen Sandhi?
There are two Stanis then.
No. Why two Stanis? Ik is followed by Ach, what will happen? E followed by Ach. E followed by U, what will happen? Yen Sandhi, very good.
Yes.
E followed by A, what will happen?
Yan Sandhi.
Yen Sandhi.
E followed by E, what will happen?
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
That's right. E followed by E becomes Savarna. You cannot apply Yen Sandhi there. Can you apply?
No, we cannot.
No.
Now, what is the relationship between this Yen Sandhi and Dirgha Sandhi? I'm asking. Understand the question now.
It's like opposite to each other.
Yes, apavada. That is called apavada, exception. That is called exception. So Savarna Dirgha Sandhi is exception to
Anus.
Yen Sandhi.
Yan Sandhi.
But now you don't see, since I use the word asavarna, therefore you don't see it as an exception. Okay.
Yeah.
But in the original, what I mean the original in the Sutra Pata of Panini Maharshi, it doesn't use the word asavarna. Asavarna, I just added in the beginning for your understanding. Okay. Later, if I don't say asavarna, you might understand. Ik followed by ach, when I say it is Yen Sandhi. So ach covers all the vowels. So e can be followed by e. In that case, you have to say it is Dirgha Sandhi is applied. It is exception, apavada. Clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
Guruji.
And Sandhi, you know it very well. So we will do the exercise. Just quickly, you can check your answers also. Can anyone tell me if up to where we read?
we haven't read any of these ones,
Any-
Guruji. You just gave us the homework to read through and work through.
With the examples.
So then we can do in the class now. Please type your name in the chat box. Girija, you can read.
Yes, Guruji. Nadi plus atra, nadyatra. E plus a has become ya. That's why nadyatra. Manu
E
plus
plus A doesn't become yeah. E is replaced by yakara. Okay.
E is replaced by yakara.
Stani is
Manu.
only E. The long
Yes.
E.
Yes,
Okay, let
Guruji.
me ask one more question. Here Nadi, E is there. But in the
No.
Ik, we say E rule. Where is E?
E is both represents E and E.
Very
E
good.
and E both represents.
In the Maheshwara Sutra, remember when we say Ayivun Ruluk, that A stands for A
Long
also.
also. Yeah.
E stands for E also.
Yeah.
You don't have to mention that. Why? Because same. It is only in terms of time. Time only differs. Therefore,
Matra.
Matra. Matra is not captured in the Maheshwara Sutra. So therefore, A stands for the Dirgha A also. Okay, that is why some people say that how many simple vowels are there in Sanskritam? All beginning question I'm asking.
Five.
Simple. Huh? Simple.
Five. Five.
5 or 9.
Yeah, very good. But what did we learn in the beginning? 9. Remember?
9.
9 simple vowels, 4 conjunct vowels, 9 plus 4, 13. I hope you all
Yes.
remember that. Don't forget. Now, this, okay, how many long vowels, how many short vowels?
5 long vowels.
4 long vowels, 5
long and
short
5 short.
vowels.
Please think and answer, okay? Not 5 long vowels. How many long, how many short?
4 long vowels, Guruji.
4.
Because
What
the
are,
blue.
what are those 4, Manjulaji?
A, E, U, Ru.
What about A, I, O, O? Are they not long vowels?
Those are long vowels but conjunct vowels.
It's okay. I'm
Yeah.
asking only long vowels only. Let it be conjunct.
Okay, Guruji.
Then
Sorry.
it's 8.
8 plus 5, right?
Yeah.
8 plus 5. 5 simple vowels, right?
Yeah.
5 short vowels, sorry.
Short vowels.
And 8 long vowels. Therefore, these 5 simple vowels only are given in the Maheshwara Sutra. Therefore, some people say there are only 9 vowels in the language, not considering the long form A, E, U, R. Taking Maheshwara Sutra as a pramanam, they say only 9 vowels are there. Out of 9 vowels, 5 vowels are simple vowels or short vowels, you can say. Simple vowels and short vowels, both. And 4 are long vowels
Conjunct.
and conjunct vowels, right? So 5 simple vowels, A, E, U, R. Therefore, those only are mentioned in Maheshwara Sutra. Therefore, the A stands for A also, E stands for E also, that we have to understand. Clear? Understand?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
Guruji.
Guruji.
So, therefore, Nadi, when you say E is included in E. Short E. Short E means it can bring in long form. Okay, therefore, you can apply N Sandhi here. You will understand now, but later when you add more and more Sandhi, this all this confusion will come. I'm just clarifying it. So, in long E was there, then what will happen? Same thing will happen. Okay. Yes, please continue.
Yeah.
Girijaji.
Manu plus antaram, manvantaram. Here, man plus u plus antaram. Man plus u becomes vakara. Manva plus a, manva antaram, manvantaram.
Okay, this much elaboration, not just read it's enough because time
Okay.
not there.
Okay. He plus anantaha, hyanantaha.
Yes.
Karmani plus eva, karmanyeva.
Now the thing
Siddhi
is
plus
here,
asiddhi.
if I give karmani, karmanyeva, I'll be able to split as karmani plus eva.
Eva.
But unless you know the word karmani, it's very difficult. But eva you must be knowing. So you have to see here yakara there. Yakara, you have to see that. So yakara must have come in the place of e, right? So yakara and ye, the word is there. Ye. So eva you have to split. Then what is left out is the first word. So that you can infer. That is how you have to do it. Okay.
Guruji, I have a doubt here, Tanuja here. For the Manu plus Antaram, right? It becomes Manva. And what happens to the Nakara?
It's a typo.
It's typo.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay.
Nothing happens.
Okay.
Split there.
Okay.
Siddhi plus asiddhi, siddhya siddhi. Gacchanti plus anamayam, gacchantyanamayam. Atmani plus eva, atmanyeva.
Atmani, yes, okay.
Atmani plus eva, atmanyeva. He plus api, hyapi.
Okay, next
He
person.
plus
All these words are taken from the Gita. Okay. Atmanyevatmana tushtaha stita pragyastadojyate. Similarly, gacchantyanāmayam, that is also from the Gita only. Karmanyeva adhikaraste ma puleshu kadachana. So it's all very useful. Next person, Kausalyaji.
He plus ashuhu, hyashuhu. Tishtati plus akarmakrit, tishtatya karmakrit. He plus asya, hyasya. Vimohayati plus eshaha, vimoha yat yeshaha. Dhumena plus avriyate, dhumena vriyate.
What sandhi is that?
Here,
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Yes. Just to confuse a given intentionally.
Yeah, plus a.
Yeah.
Indriyani plus adav, indriyan yadav. Brahmani plus adhaya, brahman yadhaya.
This is all from Gita. Brahman yadaya karmani sangam tektva. Rochate, so it comes sangam tektva iti. Okay. Brahmani plus adaya, brahman yadhaya. Continue.
Sparsheshu plus asaktatma, sparsheshvasaktatma. Iti plus uchyate, ityuchyate. Karmasu plus anushajyate, karmanasvanu sajjate.
No, read again. Karmasu plus
anushajyate, karmasvanushajyate.
Karmasvanushajyate. So, who is replaced by Vakara. So here understand that the vowels E is replaced by Yakara, not by Ya. Okay, you should not say Ya. E is replaced by the pure consonant Yakara. U is replaced by only Vakara. And R will be replaced by
Repa.
Repa, not Rakara. Repa. And Lu will be replaced by
Lakara.
Lakara.
So what's only Lakara, not La, not Ya. Okay. What will happen suppose if it is replaced by Ya? Suppose if we say Ya, what will happen?
What, Guruji? What is the question? I'm not understanding.
Yeah.
See, like if iti plus uchyate is there, suppose if you say E is replaced by ya, what will happen?
Ityachyate.
On the conjunct, it will be itiya instead of ityu.
No. See, iti, if you say e is replaced by ya, not yakara. E is replaced by ya, becomes itya. Itya plus uchyate it will be, right?
Yeah.
Now, what sandhi is that? You cannot do, you are replacing it by ya, and here, what is the last letter here?
Ah.
Ah. A plus U will come. So
U.
that is different sandhi. Okay. Therefore, it will be totally become a different sandhi. Therefore, you have to say very specifically it is yakara only. Clear? A plus U, it's going to be guna sandhi. That is what the next topic is we are going to see. Okay. So it becomes totally different sandhi. That is wrong. You should not say. That's why you have to say
Some sound
yakara.
is
Yeah, that is my here UPS power off.
okay.
Ah.
It's from my side. Nothing can be done already.
Okay.
Okay. So it is replaced by yakara only. That you need to note. Okay. Yes. Please continue. Next person now. Padmaji.
I'm here. Hang on one second. Okay, we said he plus upapadyate equals papadyate. Papadyate.
How can become papadyate? What happens to he plus u? I'm not getting.
Hyapadyate. Sorry, hyapadyate.
He will
Right?
be.
Hyupapadyate, right?
Yes. Hypapadyate.
Hyupapadyate. Sorry. Jeernani.
Klaibyam masmagamah partha naitatva hyupapadyate.
Yeah, upapadyate. Yeah, upapadyate. Yes. Jeernani plus anyani. Jeernan yanyani. Jeernan yanyani. Yes. And su plus agatam. Swagatam. 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 Yes.
Listen.
Vadu.
Su plus agatam swagatam.
Okay. Oh, swagatam. Sorry, swagatam.
Nothing happens to other letters in the word. Only the su, that u is replaced by vakara. Vakara plus a becomes swagatam.
Sorry, swagat. I made a mistake. Swagatam. Vadu plus rinam. Vaddurinam. Madhu. Sorry?
U is replaced by vakara. So vakara plus r becomes vr.
Vaddurinam. Yes. Madhu plus ekam. Madvekam. It's replaced by way, Pitru plus.
Not replaced by way. U is replaced by vakara. Then vakara plus a is melanam.
Melanam. Ekara. Or melanam. Okay. Pitru plus outmukyam. Pitrautmukyam.
No. Read. Do you use laptop or mobile?
I'm using iPad. Okay.
Please zoom it and see.
Yes, I am able to see. Pitru plus outmukyam equals outmukyam, pitrautmukyam. Right?
You have to zoom it and see. You are not reading the letters properly. Pitru plus outsukyam, it is not mukyam.
Outsukyam. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, I'm reading it, but I have okay, I'm sorry. I have to come very close. Now that I have to come very close. Yeah, Pitru plus outsukyam, pitrautsukyam. Okay, I'm sorry.
iPad, you can zoom it.
I told you. Zoom it. Oh, yes. Yeah.
You are operating the iPad, okay? You must be knowing all those things. Okay.
I'm just illiterate. Okay. Pitru plus udakam, pitrudakam. Now, now it's clear because I have zoomed it. Sorry. Pitru plus udakam, Pitrudakam. Iti plus Upanishad, Ityupanishad. Now it's clear. Sorry,
I
thank
find
you
it.
for correcting me.
No problem. Next person, Nataji.
Sorry. Ravi plus Udayah.
Smarami plus Agam.
Sorry. Smarami plus Aham. Smaramyaham. Vastrani plus Utpadayati. Vasran Yutpadayati. Ravi plus Udayah. Ravyudayah. Madhu plus Arihi. Madvarihi. Nanu plus Eva. Nanveva. Bhagirathi plus Odhah. Bhagi Ratyodhah. He
Now we have
plus
to join. Abhyasam
Yeah.
Kurta. Yeah.
He plus Aham. Hyaham. He plus Etat. Hyahat.
Here.
Yeah.
He plus Etad. Etad.
Hetat. Sorry. Hetat. Karmani plus Avidvamsah.
Karmani plus
Sorry.
Vidvans. You should not
Karmani
make
plus-
mistake in reading the words.
Okay.
Karmani. Where is Karmani?
Karmani plus Vidvamsah.
Hmm.
Karmanya Vidvamsah.
Good. Yes.
Vidhi plus Akartaram.
Hmm.
Vidyakartaram.
Not Vidya Karta.
Sorry.
Vidhi plus Akartaram is
Vidyakartaram.
Vidya Kartaram.
Vidyakartaram. What next? Karmani plus Akarma. Karmanya Karma.
Yes.
Karmani plus Abhipravartah. Karmanyabhipravartah.
Pravruttah.
Bhutani Asheshena. Bhutanya Sheshena. Adi plus Antavantah. Adyantavantah.
Good. Next person. Riyaji.
Shaknoti plus iha.
Shaknoti plus Iga.
Shaknoti plus iha. Shaknotyah.
Really? What is it?
He plus wrong.
Savarna Dirgha
Is it
Sandhi.
correct? Savarna Dirgha. Okay. Shaknotyah.
If it is Savarna Dirgha, how can it become Shaknotyaha?
Shaknotaha.
No tiha.
Tiha.
End Sandhi.
It's already T, no?
Already
Is it
T.
E?
So,
E
Riyaji will
plus
answer.
E.
E plus E, what will happen?
It's Savarna, right?
Tell me what is the answer.
T. Long T.
Tell me the word now. Join that.
Shaknoti. Shaknotiha.
Shaknotiha. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Riyaji, you need to know, do homework, okay?
Yes.
Shraddha also.
Okay.
Please do homework. At least spend 5-10 minutes a day. After some time, generally saying, the Sanskritam will become the easy, the scapegoat of Sanskritam is difficult. So after some time it becomes difficult. It's not that language is difficult, because we don't put sufficient time, a lot of time to know it. We are going at a pace which you can easily pick up. Okay. So if you leave some gap in terms of understanding the homework, then becomes naturally people they drop from learning Sanskritam. This is what happens generally. Saying they blame the Sanskritam for being difficult. It is not, language is difficult. So we have to put effort. Okay. Please, all of them saying, have the passion to learn Sanskritam, and then
So
just
this
15 minutes a day. You can spare 15 minutes. Even 15 minutes if it is, I know you are all busy with your household work and some people are working, but it's not 15 minutes together. 15 minutes are different, time in the day. Going back and recalling what we learned, that's important. That is why in the beginning I kept 2 classes a week, but I found it difficult. People found it difficult and they wanted to make it only 1 class. 1 class means between 1 class and another class, we have got 7 days, 6 days gap is there. It will go away. Anyway. So,
Sharanji, so the answer will be Shakno Tiha.
yes. Shaknoti,
Okay, I made a mistake in that. I worked, I too wrote Shakno Tiha, sorry.
That's what in the beginning I told. I told
Yes.
the connection between this rule and the N Sandhi. Sorry.
Yes. Yeah, when I think about it, what you said, yeah, because this E
Now we are saying,
E and plus E. Yeah.
now only 2 rules we are saying, and later going to be so many rules. So that time what will happen? That is why whatever we learn, we have to learn it thoroughly.
Don't know. Okay, that's
Please,
right.
Priyaji, continue.
Yes, Ji. He plus asanyasta sankalpaha.
Asanyasta sankalpaha. Read again.
Asanyasta sankalpaha.
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 Yes.
Okay, it's E plus A. So hyasanyasta sankalpaha.
Yes.
Yan sandhi. Iti plus adi. It's E plus A. Yan sandhi.
Okay.
So Iadi.
Not Yadi. Read again. Say again.
Iti plus Adi. So T is E, no? E.
Okay. T is E. E is replaced
E
by Yakara.
No, it's yeah. Iadi. E plus
Really?
A.
Iti, the E is replaced by Yakara. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Then what happens? In Yadi,
Iadi.
what happened to Takara? Takara is dropped.
Oh, Ityadi.
Why are you dropping Takara?
No? Oh.
Yes. Ityadi is the right answer. You said
Ityadi.
Yadi. Right?
Oh, okay, yes.
You said Yadi. If you say Yadi, what happened to Takara? So yes, Yadi. Retain the other letters. Only that E is replaced by Yakara. Other letters should be as it is. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Nadi plus Arpanam. It's E plus A. Yan sandhi. So Nadyarpanam.
Good. Okay. Continue.
Continue, Ji.
Yeah, please do it. Devi plus Agamanam. Read.
Hello. Should I continue? Okay, Ji. Devi plus Agamanam. It's again E plus A. Yan sandhi. So E plus yeah. Devyagamanam.
Yes, Devyagamanam.
Correct.
Okay. Yes. Continue.
Okay. Pitru plus Agnya. It's Pitru again Yan sandhi. Ukaradha followed by A.
Ukara.
Through Ru. Sorry.
It is not Ru. It is R.
Through U.
R. Not
Oh,
U.
Rukaranta.
Not Ru. It is R. Rukara. R.
Rukaranta. Rukaranta followed by A. Yan sandhi. So it will become Repa. How?
Yeah, it becomes Repa. Repa
How to
plus
replace it?
R
I'm not
becomes.
sure how to replace it. It becomes
You already
Repa.
replaced it. Ru is replaced by Repa. So Ra
Repa.
plus A becomes Ragnya. So then the previous.
Oh, again I retain the tha, right? Pitragnya.
Yeah, you have to read it. Why you, what will you do with the
Yeah,
ta?
that's what I'm getting confused.
There's not any confusion. We are replacing only the ik letter.
Okay.
And takara is a consonant. Pitragnya.
Pitragnya.
These are required. You need to do practice. The next person, Manjula ji.
Guruji. Adi plus apada. Adyapada. Apavishatu plus aryaha. Apavishyatu u plus ha. Apavishatvarthaha. Apavishatvaryaha. Nadi plus asti. Nadyasti. Madhu plus arihi. Madhvarihi. Sadhu plus adeshaha. Sadvadeshaha. Sadvadeshaha. Chamu plus agamanam. Chamvagamanam. I plus akaraha. Yakaraha. That's it.
E plus Hakara becomes Yakara.
Yakaraha. Yeah, Guruji.
E is replaced by Yakara. And Yakara plus A becomes Yakaraha. Okay. All these are little bit tricky, not much. Okay, yes.
Sadhushu plus api. Sadhushvapi. Atmani plus eva. Atmanyeva. Abhi plus arthanam. Abhyarthanam.
That's Arthanam.
Guruji?
Arthaniya. Abhi plus Arthaniya. That is not Arthanam.
Abhyarthaniya.
Okay, next person, Shruti ji.
Namaste Guruji. Hetu plus adhasya.
Arthasya.
Yeah, adhasya. Yeah. Hetvardhasya. Gachati plus asti. Gachatyasti. Sudhi plus uhitam.
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 Oh, sorry. Sudhi plus uhitam. Sudvihitam.
Again, how can Sudhi will be there?
Sudyuhitam. Sudyuhitam. Yeah.
Sudyuhitam, yes.
Vadhu plus ananam. Vadvananam. Matru plus artham. Matratham.
Matratham, not trartham.
Matratham. Yes, yes. Matratham. Bhavatu plus adhuna. Bhavatu plus adhuna. Bhavatvaduna. U plus akara. Vakara. U plus akara. Vakara. U plus vakara.
Okay, next person.
Is it good? Yeah.
Yes, that's right. Lata ji.
Guru plus Agya. Guru Gya. Iti plus
No, please do it again. Guru plus Agnya. Guru plus Agnya.
Svadu plus
Lata ji, I think, do you listen? Can you hear me?
Swadish.
I think
Guru
one
plus
side only.
Agya.
Lata ji, hello. Listen. Can you hear me? Okay, she has mic problem. So, next person. Okay, I'll skip Lata ji now. Tanuja ji. Tanuja ji can read.
Namaste Guruji. Namaste Guruji. Guru plus Ajna. Gurvadnya.
Good, yes.
Iti, iti plus ahu. Ityahuhu.
Okay.
Ityahuhu. Swadu plus ikshu. Swadvi kshurasaha.
Yes.
Swadu plus aushadam. Swadvaushadam.
Good, yeah.
Pitra plus icha. Ritva, this Tra becomes
Not
Ritva
tra, it
becomes
is tru.
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 Okay. Pitru, Pitra becomes Pitra, right? Or it becomes Refa. So Pitra, Pitricha.
Yes.
Pitricha. Okay. Datra plus iti, datriti.
Datri.
Yeah.
Continue.
Okay. Drakshyasi.
Drakshyasi.
Oh, sorry. Drakshyasi. So Drakshyasyaatmani plus ya plus okay. Atmani becomes atmanyatha. So Drakshyasyaatmanyas. Drakshya.
Not so much complicated, okay?
Okay.
Atmani, first you have to read the words properly, number one. Atmani, Drakshyasi, Atha. Atmani plus Atha. E plus A becomes Yata. Atmanyata. First remember that word, Atmanyata. One sandhi done. Second one, Drakshyasi plus Atmanyata. E is replaced by Yakara. Drakshasyatmanyatha. That's all. Okay.
Okay, Guruji. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Do the next
I need
one.
practice. Yeah. Gachantya punaravrittim.
Yes, that's what it is. Next one. Continue.
Mitra plus Ari plus Udasinaha. Mitrari. This is a Dirgha Sandhi, na?
Yes. Yes.
Mitrari. Mitrarya. Swa. Sorry. Mitrari. Mitrarvya.
Not so much difficult, listen. You have to write it.
Oh, sorry. No. Okay, yes. Okay. Mitrari, ya, Udasinaha. I'll have to write it actually.
Ari plus Udasinaha. Do sandhi first. Ari plus Udasinaha. Ari.
Yakara.
Okay. Listen, when you do, even when you do it verbally, it's not that much difficult. Ari is remove E becomes Ar.
Right.
Remember Ar. Udasinaha, you remember, say the word properly, Udasinaha, Dasinaha. Then between E and U there is sandhi. E will be replaced by Yakara. Yakara plus becomes U. So the Ar is there, Aryu plus Dasinaha, Aryu Dasinaha. That's what it is.
Okay.
Ari plus Udasinaha is Aryu Sadina. Aryu
Dasina. Yes.
Aryu Dasinaha. Mitra is there, Mitra plus Aryu Dasinaha. Mitra Aryu Dasinaha. It's one word. Not one word. It is joined.
Okay.
If you have difficulty, you write and see.
Okay. All right. Na ati uchritam.
It is Uchritam.
Okay. Nati, natyushritam.
Yes, that's how it should be done.
Okay.
First you say Nati plus Uchritam. Nati becomes Nat. Then Yakara plus becomes Natya, Natyuchritam.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Next person. Ram Kumarji.
Atmani.
Yes, Guruji. Atmani plus eva plus avatishthate. Avatishthate, no, Guruji? Avatishthate. Atmanyeva tishthate.
Atman eva is okay. Atman eva is okay. Eva plus avatishthate.
Eva tishthate. Atmanyeva avatishthate.
Yes, that's what it is. Dirgha Sandhi. Eva plus avatishtate dirgha.
Eva Guru. Yes, Guru. Eva plus Atmana plus Atmanam.
Atmanam.
Atmanam. Sorry. Eva plus Atmana plus Atmanam. Atmana plus Atmanam is Atmanam. Atmatmanam.
Read again. Say again. Atmana plus Atmanam. What will happen?
Atmanatmanam.
Yes, that's correct.
Eva Atmanamatmanam.
Eva Atmanatmanam.
Evatmanatmanam, Guruji. Yes, correct. So that Vakara plus correct. Evatmanam Atmanam. Okay. Bhajati plus Ekatvam plus Asthitaha. Bhajati plus Evatvam plus Asthitaha. So Evatvam.
Ekatvam.
Sorry, Ekatvasthitaha. So Bhajatyekvas Ekatva. Sorry, Ekatvam Asthita. Ekatvam plus Asthita is Ekatvamasthitaha. Bhajatyeka Ekatvamasthitaha.
Yes, correct. Here, what's on the Ekatvam plus Astitaha?
Ekatvam plus Asthita, I think Yan Sandhi, no?
Yan Sandhi?
We haven't done it, Guruji.
Sorry. Oh, Yan Sandhi.
It is not Sandhi at all. It is just
Melanam.
Melanam.
Melanam, correct. Yes, Guruji. Sorry. This is Melanam.
It is just Melanam.
Guruji, yes, correct. Karmani plus Atandritaha. Atandritaha. Karmani plus Atandritaha. Karmanyantritaha.
Karmanyatandritaha.
Plus is it correct, Guruji? Karmanyatandritaha. Okay, right. Pachanti plus Atmakaranat. Pachantyatmakaranat.
Yes.
Iti plus Adi plus Atma Ityatma.
Ityatma. What happened to Adi?
Iti plus Ityadatma. Iti plus Adi plus Atma. So Adi plus Atma is Ityadhatma. I'm not able to pronounce it, Guruji, properly. Iti plus
Adi plus Atma, Adhyatma.
Adhyatma, correct.
Iti plus Adhyatma, Ityadhyatma.
Ityadhatma. Okay.
Right. Ityadhyatma. Okay.
Ityadhyatma. Yes, Guruji, that yakara comes into picture. Ityadhyatma. Ekatva plus Akartritva plus Adi. Ekatva plus Akatritva plus Adi. Akartritvadi. Sorry.
Reading itself, people are finding difficult. I don't know why. Simple words. Reading itself, most of you are fine. Reading the simple words, Samskrita words. I think you have to go back to the Shubhashitam, read words. Ekatva, first read the words properly, then the Sandhi. Ekatva plus Akartatva plus Adi.
Ekatvakartvatvadi.
Not difficult. See, Va plus Va becomes A. Ekatva. Ekatva kartratva. Ekatva kartratva.
Ekatva kartratvadi.
Kartratvadi.
Yes, Guruji.
I think you should do the reading practice.
Yes, Guruji.
Some shloka, some passage, and you have to read. Reading of some.
Guruji, I know Vedic chanting, but still I'm finding it difficult to pronounce it because I don't know. Maybe I need to practice more.
And sometimes when our turn comes, it's like we do
become more
mistakes.
conscious. We become more conscious.
Yeah, I know. There's Sidanti Mama Katrani, Mukamcha Parishishyati, Repatuscha Sharire, me Romavasya Jayita, like Arjuna.
Yes, Guruji.
All the sweating comes, whatever you learned, you forget everything.
Yes.
All our manipulation.
Exactly.
Because you are exposed. You are exposed. I'm not exposing you. I'm teaching you. Everybody is exposed. I'm also exposed, but doesn't matter. That it's not exposing.
Our inefficiencies are exposed, Guruji.
You want to be, correct. You don't want to do mistake, and you do more mistake because.
True, true. What is the Guruji? Just 2 minutes. I mean, how to come out of? I mean, how to get out of this kind of a situation?
Confidence only. What else? You need to, you should know that you know it. You recognize that you know it, not that you don't know.
Okay.
You think that I will do mistake, I will do mistake, you will do mistake. Like Puja Swamiji used to tell this story. It's an interesting thing. See, in those days, all the houses, they have got the entrance. You would see, we are very, less height. You have to bend and enter the Agrahara, the houses in the Agrahara.
Correct.
And the threshold will be there, and the height between, the height will be very less. Will be, if an average man is 5 feet, 5.5 feet, the height of the entrance will be very less, maybe 4.5. So you have to bend and go. So you have to bend and go. So what you do from 5 meters
itself, we start bending.
You start bending and go, and exactly at the point you lift your head up and bump on your head. That is what happens. You want to be more and more careful, and you do mistake.
Yeah, I have so much experience, Sharanji. My house was like that back in Trichy, and we have to put a sign saying bend and go, kunindu pogamum. But then we read it from so far. When it comes, we keep straight and then hit ourselves.
We see that we have to bend and go. We bend, but exactly at the point where we should not rise, you rise our head.
Yes.
Start preparing from few yards, but at that point we lift our head and bump on the head. So this is what. So you're preparing yourself not to do mistake, and you do mistake. Why should do preparation? You just read it naturally. You don't have to make effort not to do mistake. Mistakes will happen. Your effort will make you do mistakes. Your extra effort, extra caution. That is why. Because when you are extra caution means you are not natural. You are not spontaneous. That spontaneity is missing there. That is why the problem is.
Yes.
Anyway, so we stop here.
Yes.
And please do this exercise. You have to do Sandhi Vichedam. Okay, we'll continue this in the next class.
Okay, Guruji.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vishishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
Guruji,
Guruji, you will be putting this file in the OneDrive?
Already it is. I sent you also.
Already.
Yeah, it is there.
Okay, Guruji.
Thank you, Shukla.
Dhanyawad.
Thank you,
Dhanyawad.
Sharanji.
Thank you.
Guruji, I have a small request, Guruji. To remember these vibhaktis, I'm finding it difficult unless I know the meaning. Like for one of the words, tad, if you can give me English equivalence, then it sits in my mind, then I can apply
English
it across
equivalent
the...
for which one? Which words?
Like sahatam, tena, tasmai, tasmat, tasya, tasmin. For those, something like me.
That is the different topic we are going to discuss. For that, we need to know this. It's not knowing and memorizing. It is, we should memorize this, and later when it comes, we'll know it.
Okay.
Because if we're going to talk about it, it will take many classes. What you're asking is, you're asking to give the meaning, introduce a term called karaka, vivakti and all. That's a different topic.
You know, what I mean to say is, tasmai, what is mean by equivalent of tasma in English? Tasma.
I don't want to give that. If I give in English, it will create problem. In many, please don't read other English translation or that one.
No, I'm not.
It will create confusion. This is, once it creates some knowledge, some learning, if you take place, know that it's very difficult to remove it. Many people I've seen even in the Gurukulam, they learned something wrongly, particularly this karaka. Like Pratama Vibhakti, this meaning, Dvitiya Vibhakti, this meaning. they connect this with the English preposition, and later it becomes very difficult to remove that idea.
Okay.
That's why I advise you not to read any English book. They are going to see the topic later. They're going to see what
Okay.
it means.
Because
It
I'm
becomes
not able to
clear.
remember. That's why I'm trying to devise.
No,
Maybe
you
if I
just
go this
chant
way,
it. After some time, it will be. But knowing the meaning also, that will not help, because you yourself will see it, how it is.
what happened was I tried to understand them in terms of my Telugu grammar, where even in Telugu grammar for Pradhama Vibhakti, do, mu, vu, lu, like Ram becomes Ramudu. That kind of a thing is there. And so on for all the other Vibhaktis. But when I apply the Telugu word and look at the Sanskrit word, it is totally different.
Totally different, yeah.
So even there, I'm not able to. I mean, I'm trying my best way to remember them.
You wait for some more classes. You will going to see cover the Karaka. We're doing slowly Abhyasa. Then you will see it become clear to you.
Okay, Guruji. Thank you very much.
I can introduce the Karaka section immediately, but it may be difficult to understand.
Yes.
Slowly,
okay, I'll
one.
wait. No, okay, Guruji, I'll wait.
Guruji.
I thought maybe by knowing the English equivalents, like
that's not a good thing actually. Knowing the English equivalents is not a good thing. Yes.
Okay.
It will create confusion, more confusion.
All right, Guruji. Then I'll wait. Thank you.
Guruji,
Thank you very much.
I also need one help, Guruji. There's Pratipadikam identification is a little bit difficult for me. So how do I practice that actually?
What difficult and Pratipadikam? I didn't get it. What is that? It means
Pratipadikam, identification of a word, and it's Pratipadikam. That I mean, how it's a little bit confusing. Maybe only practice might help me. That is what I think. Is it correct?
Like say, tell me any Pratipadikam what you find difficult.
Any word. I mean, for example, Ramaha. So Rama, there's some words which are a little bit complicated. I mean, like identification of the Pratipadikam of that word.
You're looking at the whole word. You're looking at only the end of the word.
Right.
Dhartarashtrasya. Sya is Ramasya. You can see the connection. Sya, Ramasya, Dhartarashtrasya. Therefore, you can just in the beginning you can guess. Oh, Dhartarashtra must be the Pratipadika, like Rama is the Pratipadika. Rama becomes Ramasya. So Dhartarashtra must have become Dhartarashtrasya. Yes, that is all.
Correct.
This is the master Shabda. That's why I said Rama Shabda is a master Shabda.
Master Shabda, yes, Guruji.
From the words, the Shabda, other Shabdas are there, suppose. Similar to Rama Shabda, you can infer the Pratipadika. That is why it is called master Shabda.
Yes, Guruji. Okay.
Similarly for Pullinga, similarly for Napumsakala, and that too we are saying only few Shabdas. We are yet to see Halanta Shabda. We have not yet seen that. We are going to see. So, Halanta means the Shabdas ending with consonants.
Correct. Yes.
We have seen only few Shabdas now. So it's a matter of practice only. You practice the first book, first or second book, I don't know what sent. A lot of words are there. You need to practice the declension of the Shabdas.
Correct.
So many Akaranta words are given. Akaranta, Ikaranta, Pullinga, Strilinga. You need to practice.
Correct. Yes.
That practice is, if it's not done, please do it. Then it will become easy.
Yes, Guruji. Yeah, definitely. I have
practice
the material.
Yes.
Yes, Guruji. Okay, sure.
Okay.
Dhanyawad.
Guruji. Dhanyawad, Guruji.
Dhanyawad, Guruji.
Dhanyawad.